Shakas! Aloha, crafty friends. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. Look what arrived in my mailbox. It's Happy Mail from the Stamps of Life, which can only mean it is my monthly card kit from them for the month of April. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. If you're returning, welcome back. I hope that you guys click the like button and consider sharing this video with a crafty friend. If you're new, please consider subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. I would love to have you join our little ohana. I'm going to take the stuff out of the box and I'm going to show you what's included in the kit. Stay tuned. Okay, here's all the items that come in the kit. We'll go through them. So every kit you will get 2 spools of ribbon that coordinates with the club kit. We also received the stamp sentiment. It just says you just have to find it and there's always a reason to smile. And then there's 2 birds. And if you've seen my Die Hard Club unboxing, I'll leave it here if you missed it. This coordinates with that as well. And then we did get these enamel dots. Here we go, enamel dots. And then we got these rhinestone flowers. And they go perfectly with the enamel dots. We also got inspiration cards. We also get a paper pack every month. It is double-sided paper, good quality, thick, sturdy. I'll flip through pretty quickly here so you can see the papers that are included in this paper pad. And the Die Hard Club kit, if you get that, the dies cut this stuff out here. So no need for fussing cutting. Well, that's the paper pad. We also got another die. It says remember this. And it says remember this. And we also received 2 more dies with a shadow piece. And these are the birds that are on the sentiment that we received. So we have the shadow piece as well as the die to cut out the birds. Yes, thank you, thank you. It pays to be in the club. Thank you for being a club member. Enjoy your free gift. Look at this edging. Beautiful. Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you, thank you. One of the many perks of being in the club. That's the edging that it comes with. Pretty. And then we got these chipboard pieces. And because of the glare, that's why I'm taking everything out. But here you go. Smile, hello, friend, laugh, braver, stronger, smarter, loved. So that's that. And then we also get cardstock that comes in the kit. And the cardstock coordinates with the paper pad as well. And this is the sheets of cardstock you get. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 colored cardstocks and 4 white cardstocks for your card bases. So those are the cardstocks. They're 8.5 by 11 paper. And then you also get every month this handy dandy envelope to put all of your club in so that you can keep all your scraps and kit pieces all together in one convenient, easy storage place. They also come with some handy dandy envelopes for your A2 size cards. And that's it. So let's see what I can make with the kit. I'll be right back. more videos like these, see here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until my next video, shakas!